What's up, guys? Too Steezy here again. I've got a lot of requests lately. People want to know how to kickflip. So the tricks you're going to want to know already are ollie. Just ollie, I guess. But what I do, obviously my bolts aren't showing. I keep my finger about here. My front finger on the bolts, my back finger ollie position. And what you want to do, you can rewatch that, slow-mo it, whatever you want. I learned this from Jack Perry. I take my hand when I put a peace sign, put it towards me like that, put it in the position, and when you ollie, flick it out and towards you, and that's how you're gonna get it. Something like that. I've been boarding for that long, so I don't care who roasts me. I don't care who doesn't like it. But that is how to kickflip on a fingerboard. Work on those ollies. Work on flicking that finger, that front finger. You're not going to want to do it with your back finger. If that's how you learn, that's fine. But work on that front finger. And that's how it's done, boys. Easy, y'all. One love. Hope this helps.